Hello everybody, welcome to my video. I just want to show you the exchange that I did on my 38 Special airweight revolver. I just replaced the walnut to rosewood, and it came out pretty neat. As you can see, I really like it, especially the contrast that you get, black on black here. It really came out nice. Love it. And this is a 38 Special Smith Wesson. I also have what is called the Model 10 Smith Wesson, also known as the K200. This is what is called the 38 short Smith Wesson. Okay, there's a difference between the 38 Smith Wesson short and the 38 Special. Most of this comes with a round lead head, as you can see. And these are hard to find. Luckily, I got a few boxes, but I'll still, buy some when I go to going shows. If somebody have a few boxes, I just get them. Most of them are run in the range of $30-$40 a box, This is some of them. These are the Smith & Wesson 145 grain lead. And for this particular one, also they used to do the blanks. As you can see, this box must be like 30 years old. And I have it in my safe, never use them. I don't even know how they sound, or are they still good? Who knows? Now, 38 Special, you cannot use on the Model 10. It's a longer cartridge. You cannot use the 38 short on the 38 Special. I don't suggest nobody to try to do, shoot this on the 38 Special. Probably you can have an explosion. Probably you can damage your gun. So I'm taking no chances. Never take a chance to shoot 38 in any of this. Now, this gun, just like I said, this is the Model 10, also known as the K200. This was made for the British Army back in the World War II. This is what is called the K-frame. And serial numbers on this start from the 700,000 to 1,000,000. This one that I own is on the 700,000 lowest number. This is one of my favorite guns. Very accurate. Not good for concealed carry. As you can see how long this barrel is. And I also, for this one, I have World War II speed loader. As you can see, I put some empty cartridges of the 38 shorts just to show you how this works. You just that's how it goes. And you just pull, and there we go. And that's about it. 38 short, Smith & Wesson, 38 special, Smith & Wesson. Thanks for watching.